Why pointers in C++ are a game changer for memory management. Discover the true power of pointers in C++. In this video, we will delve into dynamic memory allocation and management, explaining the crucial difference between stack and heap memory. Learn how to write efficient and error-free code by mastering these essential concepts. Don't miss out on this key knowledge for every C++ programmer.
Pointers and memory management. Pointers and their significance in C++. Pointers and their significance in C++. Pointers are variables that store memory addresses. They point to the memory address of another variable, allowing indirect access to that variable. Example: int x equals 10, integer variable int asterisk ptr, pointer variable ptr equals an x, store address of x in ptr. Dynamic memory allocation. In C++, memory can be allocated dynamically during program execution using the new operator. The new operator allocates memory on the heap and returns a pointer to the allocated memory. Syntax: int asterisk ptr equals new int, allocate memory for an integer. Deleting: dynamic memory allocation. Dynamically allocated memory should be released using the delete operator to prevent memory leaks. Syntax: delete ptr, deallocate memory. Deleting: dynamic memory allocation. Stack memory. Memory allocated on the stack is automatically managed by the compiler. Variables stored on the stack have a limited scope and lifetime. Memory is allocated and deallocated in a last-in, first-out LIFO manner. Heap memory. Memory allocated on the heap is managed manually by the programmer. Variables stored on the heap have a broader scope and longer lifetime. Memory is allocated and deallocated dynamically using new and delete operators. Example: int main, stack memory allocation int x equals 10, heap memory allocation int asterisk ptr equals new, int ptr equals 20, deallocate heap memory delete ptr, return 0. Conclusion: pointers are powerful tools in C++ for dynamic memory allocation and memory management. Understanding the difference between stack and heap memory is crucial for writing efficient and error-free code.
Start Visual Studio Code. File, save as pointer example1, right? A simple C program for pointers, basic operations. A simple C++ program that demonstrates the basic use of pointers. So we have to integer variable is equal to 50. Declare simple variable type integer, then integer star ptr. Declare a pointer variable. Declare a pointer is equal to address of a variable. Pointer is equal to ampersand of variable. We are assigning output the value of variable. Cout less than value of variable is colon less than var less than and l less than and l. Output the value of pointer variable, value for pointer, right? Not a value. Cout less than with a double question mark value of pointer is double question mark complete less than ptr less than and l. It means address. address of that variable. Output the value of pointer variable. Cout less than within a quotation mark value of pointer variable is less than star ptr less than adl. Then star ptr is equal to 100. Here we are changing the value of vr indirectly. The new value of variable after assigning value to pointer. Cout less than of new value of variable less than var less than NL. Even you can display address of variable by ampersand. This is the program. First I explain you one by one. See here, hash include IO stream. Very first integer var is equal to 50 declares an integer variable var and it initializes it to next line pointer declaration integer pointer ptr declares a pointer that can point to an integer assigning the address. Next ptr is equal to ampersand of var. It means store the address of a variable in the pointer. See here, value of variable is 50, then value of pointer is the address of this 50 variable, value of pointer is 50 and the new value of pointer is 100. I hope you understand the simple pointer program from line by line. File save as pointer to arithmetic. ARTH, a simple program that demonstrates the base, the arithmetic with pointers, right? So we can declare an array here, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Declare an array of integers, right? Array of integers, then integer pointer. Similar here, pointer is equal to here, integer pointer is equal to var. Point to the first element of the array. Point to the first element of array elements using pointer arithmetic. And array elements using pointer arithmetic. Then loop, start loop for in bracket integer I is equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus curly bracket begin curly bracket close. Cout less than star in bracket ptr plus I less than and L semicolon. This is the program. We are just displaying 5 arrays by using pointer. Save and run the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just you. Now display the total of this one. Sum is equal to 0, right? Then sum plus is equal to pointer in bracket ptr plus I cout less than sum of elements are semicolon less than sum less than and then save and run the program. See here 1 2 3 4 5 and sum of this is 15. So you can do your own arithmetics with the help of pointers. What we did here, we assign point to the first element of an array, declare 5 elements and declare the sum variable, for loop and displaying like this. File, save as ptr, allocate, deallocate. Save. A simple C++ program that demonstrate allocation, dynamic allocation, dynamically allocate and deallocate memory by pointers. For that, we have to declare here integer pointer is equal to new int semicolon, write comments dynamically allocated memory for an integer. Star ptr is equal to 50, directly assign value to that pointer. Cout less than dynamically allocated memory semicolon less than star ptr less than and n. Comment dynamically allocated memory for integer n. Int size is equal to 5. Int star arr is equal to new int in square bracket size. Simple. After declaration, assigning values to an array. Delete this. For int I is equal to 0, arr of I is equal to I plus 1 semicolon. Copy, select and copy, paste. Simply type here displaying value of an array. Here cout less than value of an array element r colon double question mark complete less than and n. Copy this line, cut from here and paste above the loop. So first display the line and then cout less than arr of I less than and n. Simple. Ready this. Curly bracket close. First we dynamically allocate the integer, assign value to 50, then dynamically allocated memory for an integer array, size, declare of an array, int pointer ar is equal to new int of that size. After that, this assigning values to an array with the help of loop, and after that display one line value of an integer, value of an array element r and l, and then for loop for displaying the values. After that, the correction, deallocate the memory, delete ptr, delete an array, allocated memory for an array, AR, save and run this program. Here the output. Dynamically allocated memory is equal to 50. Value of an array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This is the output. First we allocate dynamically memory and deallocate when the program is finished there. So this is the simple program. File, save as, pointer to function. How to use pointers? How to use pointers to pass an argument to function? For that we have to write down a function to swap to integers value. We need to first write down the function which will swap the function to swap variable values. Void swap and bracket integer pointer a comma integer pointer b. Curly bracket mean curly bracket close. So integer temp is equal to pointer a, then pointer a is equal to pointer b, and pointer b is equal to temp. Simply we are swapping values. So this is the function we can transfer, or we can swap values from a to b. Integer a is equal to 100 comma b is equal to 200. Right? Cout less than the value of a is equal to, or a b confusion, it makes a confusion, so x and y. Here we can choose x and y. It will get you confused because you are using a b as a pointer. Cout less than value of x is equal to less than x less than with a double question mark value of y is equal to less than y less than and l. Then swapping value by using swap function, passing addresses of the variables like this. Variables की spelling क्या होगा? ज़्यादा का है. Variables. Now calling swap function. For more detail, see our video in which we have learned functions in C++. Swap ampersand of x comma ampersand of y. So what we are doing, we are passing the addresses of variables. Then same line, values before swapping, right? So you can understand. And cout less than after swapping values after swapping values after swapping less than and l. See here the program. What is the program? Use pointer to pass argument to function, and we have declared here one function like swap and passing pointers say addresses which will hold here, because if you declare here pointers, then it will hold the or it will store the addresses. Then swapping a value to temporary, then a value to b's value and b value to temporary. After that, main function integer x is 100, y is 200. See out values of a before swapping of x and y, and after swapping the x and y value. Save and run this program. See here, values before swapping x is equal to 100, y is equal to 200, but values after swapping, the value of x is 200 and value of y is equal to 100 after swapping. Finally, pointers are incredibly powerful tools in C++ that allows you to dynamic memory allocation and optimize your programs. By understanding how to use pointers, you can write more efficient and error-free code. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the basic of pointers, pointer arithmetic, dynamic memory allocation, and how to pass pointers to function. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.